Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you are fine. I am also fine. So viewers, in this video I gonna show different paper decoration ideas. It is very amazing and stylish paper art for kids, for animal. But in this video I gonna show different Christmas home decoration ideas you can make easily for stones in different painting art, and it is very gorgeous and amazing, and I hope you like it. Then you like it viewers, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and please press the bell icon and share your friends and family members. And you can see different more paper decoration ideas, you can see different quilting art, paper craft videos, and jute craft. So you can visit my YouTube channel. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye, see you soon.